everyone, it's Nogul from Weld, and welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a very common but important question. How do I choose the right welding machine? Well, whether you're a new welder or simply just upgrading your setup, choosing the right machine makes all the difference in the speed, quality, and cost of your weld. So, what are you waiting for? Come with me and let's break it down step by step. First of all, let's think about the kind of jobs that we'll be working on. Are we doing long, heavy-duty jobs or simple, light projects? This alone helps narrow down your options. Heavy-duty machines are designed for longer duty cycles and thicker materials, while light-duty machines are great for smaller and short-term work. Next, let's think about what kind of material we're welding. Is it going to be aluminum, stainless steel, mild steel, or other alloys? Different materials need different welding processes and machine capabilities. For example, aluminum often works best with TIG or MIG pulse, while mild steel can be handled by standard MIG or stick. Then consider how thick your material is. If you're welding thin aluminum, you might go for TIG pulse or MIG pulse, as they offer better control and less risk of burn through. However, if you're working with thicker aluminum, then you can stick with MIG or MIG pulse for deeper penetration and faster work. Next up is speed. If you're looking to move quickly, for example in production work, then MIG pulse would be a great option as it allows faster working. But let's say you're not in a rush, then TIG pulse can give you that more controlled, slower and clean result. Speaking of control, let's talk about precision. If you need clean, high-quality results with minimal spatter, from highest quality to lowest quality weld, then TIG pulse delivers the finest detail and precision. This is then followed by MIG pulse, then standard MIG, and finally stick, which offers the most basic type of finish. And for extremely thick steel plates, submerged arc welding becomes the most preferable type of process, trading fine precision with deep penetration and heavy-duty performance. Now, let's talk about budget. Set a price range before you shop. TIG machines are usually more expensive than MIG, but don't forget consumables. Some processes like TIG have pricier consumables, which can add up over time if you're running higher workloads. Another key factor to keep in mind, where are you welding? Is it going to be indoors or outdoors? MIG welding doesn't do as well outdoors because wind can mess with the shielding gas. If you're working outside, stick or glassless flux cord might be a better option because they can handle windy conditions. If automation matters to you, then keep that in mind too. Stick welding can't be automated, but TIG, MIG, or MIG pulse are great options for semi-automated or full automated setups. Also, it's important to consider your welding position. Most MIG, TIG, and stick machines can handle all welding positions, including flat, overhead, and vertical, but a process like submerged arc welding is more limited. Last but not least, think about your deposition rate. How much filler material is being laid down? If you need strong, high deposition welds, for example, for pressure vessels or strong joints, MIG pulse or submerged arc welding offers higher deposition rates as compared to stick welding. So, choosing the right welding machine comes down to the following. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, don't be afraid to drop them down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.